Oh no, we can't. Then bread?
Okay, what do we need? I need bread. I need ham.
Ham.
I don't need chocolate. I
Cheese.
need cheese. I don't need
Fish.
fish. I need lettuce.
Lettuce.
I need,
Tomato.
okay. So how many ingredients do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. We need red. See. Tomato. We need green.
Salad.
Lettuce. We
Lettuce.
need yellow or orange a little bit. Cheese. We need pink. Ham and brown. Bread or toast.
Add the ingredients.
What do we do? Slice tomato.
Don't forget to toast the...
So at first, what do we do? We toast bread.
Yeah.
Yes. Toast bread. Repeat.
Toast bread.
Yes. Wow. We put bread. Yes, we put bread. Then we spread some sauce. Blue sauce?
No.
No. What sauce do we use? Orange sauce? Yes. Yellow mustard or red ketchup? Yes. Then we put lettuce.
Butter.
Blocks? No, we don't need blocks. Then we put tomato slices. Then we put ham
Ham. Cheese.
and
Cheese.
cheese. We add some brown sauce. No. Red ketchup, yes?
Yes.
We put some red ketchup on the top and put